আমি বাংলায় গান গাই, আমি বাংলার গান গাই, আমি আমার আমিকে চিরদিন এই বাংলায় খুঁজে পাই।
I sing in Bengali. I sing of Bengal, and herein I find the me of myself, my identity. This is very sentimental. A rational person may have some reservations, but this is a universal sentiment. Everywhere, every person has a very soft corner for his and her mother tongue and mother country. So let's celebrate this sentiment. Remember the word Bangla, it has variations. But Bengali speaking people in West Bengal, Bangladesh and elsewhere utter this word as Bangla. But outside West Bengal, in India, non-Bengali people call it Bongali. And outside India, in Europe, in America and in many other countries, this is known as Bengali. So we don't have any objection because this variation is quite natural. We have a long-term plan. We want to learn how to speak Bangla, how to read and write Bangla. So let's begin from the very beginning. In the very beginning, we have a slightly difficult word, that is Barnamala. Barnamala. Barnamala is a compound word. Two words are involved here. One is Barna and the other is Mala. Barna means, in this context, later, and Mala means a combination or collection of similar things. So Barnamala means collection of Barnas, that means collection of letters, that is the alphabet. In English, the alphabet is Barnamala in Bengali. Remember, officially, the Bengali language, Bangla, has 52 letters. Nowadays, 2 of them are dropped. They are not used. Whereas in English, number of letters is only 26. So in Bengali, it's almost the double. But it looks double. May not be that much difference is there in number, because English has 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U, and there is no symbol for diphthongs. That means 2 vowels in combination can produce a third sound. In fact, these 5 vowels produce 20 vowel sounds, whereas in Bengali we have only 12 vowels. In fact, 11. And all these 11 vowels have separate symbol or letters. So this is the difference. Of course, there are some consonant sounds that are not to be found in the English or in many other languages. So let's talk about vowel sounds. Practically we have 11 vowel sounds. They are A, A, Hasoi, Dirghoi, Hasu, Dirgho, Ri, A, We, O and O. Maybe or many they look very different. But don't worry, I'm not going to explain these things now. We'll have enough time to do that. At this moment, just have a look, just have a feel, and try to understand a different kind of script. Come to the consonant part. Ka, ka, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, ja, yang, ta, 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 mudhana, ta, 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 দন্তলিল প ফ ব ভ ম অন্তস্থ জ র ল তালব্য শ মূর্ধন্য ষ দন্তস্ব হ ডয়বিন্দু র ঢয়বিন্দু ঢ অন্তস্থ অ খণ্ড ত অনুস্বার বিসর্গ চন্দ্রবিন্দু. At this moment they may appear slightly different type of scripts. Fine. But don't worry for that. We'll have enough time. We'll try to understand them. In every session we'll take up 4 or 5 letters and we'll try to understand them. We'll try to write them. We'll try to utter them. And things will be much easier later. So don't worry at all at this stage. So our plan is very simple. In every session we'll take up 3 or 4 or 5 letters. We'll try to learn 1 or 2 or 3 words and then we'll try to form small sentences. This way we'll start the learning process of an unknown language. And we expect your wholehearted participation in the process. Just to let us know where you are from and what languages you speak. I mean your mother tongue. Okay then, have a nice time. See you very soon.
আমি বাংলায় গান গাই, আমি বাংলার গান গাই.